touch far. I think I can get them closer than that. Wow, look at all these teal. Pair of big ducks. Don't shoot those. I think my best bet is getting them low right over the water and have them zip up here. Wow, it's a beautiful show they're putting on though. That is cool. Another ball of them. Oh wow, look at all these right here. Jeez. Now maybe these big ducks will land and bring the teal in. Yeah, we got 2 teal right off here. Keep layering off early. Those are teal. Those are definitely teal. Wow. That was not good. Wait that whole time for a teal to present an opportunity and I finally get one. Not capitalize. It's okay. It's okay. I got a shot at one at least. Man, that was a cool show they were putting on. I don't know. I figured I better take the one in the decoys.